Hi, hello, welcome to Physionic, where we learn the body from the macro to the micro. If that's something you think you'd be interested in, then consider subscribing. Guys, today's content is going to be a subscriber question brought to us by Anas Jalul from Instagram, who's been asking me a series of different questions, but I thought this one would be nice to address in more of a formal format. So, Anas Jalul wants to know, is it true that if you add musculature that you will see an increase in your energy expenditure? Well, the answer is absolutely yes. So as you add musculature, as you add muscles, as you grow your muscles that you already have, really in all honesty, then you're going to see increases in caloric expenditure, in basal caloric expenditure, which is really nice because that means that you don't necessarily have to do anything and you're already increasing your energy expenditure day to day. Now, how much do you actually see an increase? Well, it's going to vary, but it's roughly about 6 kilocalories per pound of muscle that you add on. So that is not a whole lot. If you were to add 10 pounds of muscle, which is difficult to do, but certainly attainable, you could even add 20 pounds. But if you were to add, let's say 10 pounds, you would only increase your basal metabolic rate by about 60 calories. 20 pounds would be obviously double that, so 120 calories. Is it nothing? No. But is it a whole lot? Not so much. So you might be able to squeeze in just a little bit more of a particular topping, or a small bag of chips, or one serving of chips, or something along those lines, and that would be taken care of by your musculature in terms of your basal metabolic rate. So going from, let's say, 200 pounds to 230 pounds isn't going to suddenly mean that you can eat from 2,500 calories up to, let's say, 4,000 calories. You're going to have a small bump, but it's not going to be extreme. So keep that in mind when you gain muscle. Is it worth it? Yes. For multiple reasons, this is just a small addition to those reasons, but it is not going to make or break your metabolism. All right, with that said, hopefully it was informative, hopefully it answered the question, and I hope that I have the pleasure of speaking with you in the next one. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Hi, hello, welcome to Physionic, where we learn the body from the micro. That's not right.